So going forward, I'm going to be doing lots of these little demos to help you out, little shortcuts and various things. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Word document that you can save as a PDF, add links to, add design to, and so forth. So you're going to start with Canva. You're going to be canva.com, you're going to log in, you're going to go to your home screen, and then you'll see these icons along the top. So this is quick navigation. You're going to go Google Doc now, and that will open a template. And then I want you to go to where you want to get the information. I have done just an example here. You can actually copy the markdown. So whenever you use the clipboard on any AI, you're going to get a markdown version. Markdown version means it's got hashtags, it's got stars, but Canva understands that, so don't worry about it. If you were copying this just straight into a Word document, I would actually just copy it like this. But for this situation, I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to go back to Canva. I'm going to go click on Magic Write over here, and here you paste the information. So Control-C, Control-V on Windows. You go Generate. And then you go Insert. Now you can go through it and make sure there's no spelling mistakes, no grammatical mistakes. Just make sure that it's exactly how you want it. You may also want to make it a little more personalized and less robotic. So obviously this is two AI tools I've just used here. This here is a little bit of a pain because it opens up a new window, but there's no other way to do it. Either click on Edit Design or just double click and it'll open up a design window. And in that design window, you'll see on the left hand side there are various templates that you can use. And generally speaking, if you drag one over, it'll ask to replace the current page or don't replace. So in this case, I'm going to go don't replace because I want to first copy. I want to copy the text. Now, to copy the text, you're going to have to move that filter over and just come from the top and grab the text. And then you're going to go back to design. And here, once again, it's giving you a bunch of different things. So you can actually go, oh, okay, well, I want that one. Or on that one, or whichever one you want. Once you're happy, you're just going to go save, and then you can share it directly from Canva, which is useful. So you're going to go share. If you don't want people to edit it or make any changes, just keep it for only you can access, unless you actually put someone's email address in here, right? Otherwise, I just go anyone with a link. Now, if I copy that link, if I open a browser now, you'll see that if I paste that link in, it will actually bring up the document. So there you can see there's the same document. So the other thing that you most likely want to do is go ahead and save. So you're going to click on Share, you're going to click on Download. It's going to default to PDF standard or a Word document. So if you want it to be a fluid document where you can make changes, use Docs, that's just Microsoft Word, or PDF standard. PDF standard is the best format to share a document, a lead magnet, proposal for a client, whatever it is. If the document is fluid, I would just share the Canva link, and then people that you send it to can comment, they can make editing changes and so forth. But basically, you're going to download this PDF, then upload it somewhere in the cloud so that it's got an online link and people can download it. Ideally, you want this linked to a